Hi, amazing people across the world. My name is Lynette Lane, coming alive from Uganda, East Africa. Yeah! Welcome to my channel. If you're here for the very first time, woo, you are most welcome to this beautiful channel. Currently, I'm living in the western countryside, as you can tell from my background. And look at this beautiful kitchen. You can tell definitely that I'm in the countryside. Today, my eye is a bit red because I have some allergies, but I'll be fine. Anyways, if you are here for the very first time, kindly go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you be a part of this amazing growing family on this YouTube space. And if you are the returning subscriber that always stops by, watches the videos, comments, shares, and does all these things, I'm so grateful. May God truly bless you, because I pray for you. I pray for you because you are part of this family. So enjoy today's video. I hope it leaves you refreshed, relaxed, and at peace with the mind. And also, I hope you enjoy the simple living in the countryside. Today is a chill day. Not seeing any beautiful clouds show you guys, but let me show you. In the stillness of the you are holy. The sun is right here. Yeah, like that. Not so many clouds. It's been raining cats and dogs these past days. There is that priceless experience you feel when you live in the countryside, waking up in the morning, going to the garden, picking up your fruit, picking up your vegetables or any type of food that has been planted. When it comes to farmers, like they plant with hope. We hope that the sunshine, the wind, and every weather condition will work out for you good. Even when things don't work out as you planned, but you still rejoice, wake up with hope. And then time for harvesting, you harvest gracefully, enjoying every part of it, seeing the bountiful harvest, being fruitful in one way or the other, and enjoying fresh organic foods. In the countryside, you go to the garden, pick whatever you pick, come put it on the table. If it needs cooking, you cook, put it on the table. I feel like these farmers are living a very therapeutic life that is mending their broken hearts. For example, the weather conditions might not be favorable for your food or whatever you planted, but guess what? Even then, farmers never lose hope. They still come. Even with a broken heart, they are mended to go back to the next season. They never lose hope. They never give up. Something that I have learned being in the countryside now, in this era when I'm fully understanding, fully mature and grown, and have experienced all the other side of the city life. As you know, guys, and I'm enjoying every bit right here, because even when a farmer very good has a broken heart because of, like the foods and the crops that didn't turn out the next season, they will still go. So it's in the garden where broken hearts are mended, and it's in the garden where you plant with hope that God will sustain whatever you have planted until you go to harvest gracefully. Oh, what a lovely day. Anyways, this is me enjoying every bit. kani kano shanazire bakaho ombi nangeje byera munjura ingato biru tuwaza kumanota yaira jojukurayo tuwaza kuba wokura ashimwe numbaho muta ebyo maduka mbibiri mwombazi gwembeba ashino nojiyanga eyameze no manyanu bahingo bwameze tokumaraga manyanta bwire buwireyo mama kanyamba singo mukwa munana hatukuria zinga hi bakutirenga kumweni ibiri mama konkiwa ineyo mama kala baresura konga bakanake chitechini inguma yakateteleja nikurambuze mama So when they used to tell us that the earth moves, I didn't used to believe it. I'm like, I've been born here, I'm always here. How does the earth move? But of late, I've realized that the sunset has changed positions. It's no longer where I used to watch sunset from. And apparently where I'm eating this sugarcane from has the best view of the sunset. So definitely this is a garden mixed with avocados, mangoes, coffee, cassava, all mixture together. But also it has like good view for the sunset. So I came here to enjoy this sugarcane and also watch the sunset. And then this resident, our villager community friend, came and started chatting with me as he praised the gods, and that was very relaxing. I kid you not, that time I think all I minded was what we were talking about and the sugarcane that I was eating, and also enjoying the sunset. Nothing outside that that influence was on my mind, and yeah, that was good. the best scent. They smell very, very amazing. Like just the aroma of coffee, that is different. The flowers smell amazing, and I love smelling on them. One more, maybe a little longer. Woo. Smell them too.